Hey, what's going on? So today we're going to take a look at this Whirlpool Coolerator. This is from 1996. Here's the label over here. What is this? Oh, it's a 7,000 BTU. Yeah, so I actually have another Coolerator that I got a couple years ago. I think the other one I have is a different color. I don't remember exactly, but I think the other one I have has a black faceplate. I don't remember. I got that one as storage, so I can't even look at it. Yeah, so I got this pretty cheap. I bought it along with the Mana air conditioner off a guy. Pretty cheap. Got it off Facebook. This does work. I've already run it. There's fan only. These are pretty nice air conditioners. These Coolerator. Alright, let's turn that down. There's low cool. Compressor's on. Yeah, these are pretty nice air conditioners. As I recall, with the other one I have, these use a fan blade for the front air exchanger instead of a squirrel wheel. Anyway, we're not going to be able to see the compressor in here. A little bit of a metallic noise to it, but maybe it just needs to warm up. I only ran this briefly before. Back. There's a little bit of like a tinkling sound in there. Could be just like a broken zip tie or something in there. Yeah, it seems to work fine. It's very cold already. You got one full set of louvers. Seem to work nice. There's your exhaust. Exhaust works. Both the side panels are split. Let's take this off. Yeah, it's missing one of these clips for the grill. That shouldn't be a big deal to get another one. Coils. This is all cold. Definitely needs to be taken apart and cleaned. And yeah, pretty nice air conditioner. Yeah, it runs good. These are nice air conditioners. The fan's rather strong on it, but it's not like overly noisy. There's medium cool. There's high cool. Yeah, it's pretty strong on high. Low again. Yeah, pretty nice air conditioner. I like these. It's actually very small for being a 7,000 BTU. Not the quietest compressor, but it's not the worst either. But good quality machine anyway. All right, there you go. That's a 1996 Coolerator. See you next time.